This is G Mahesh, who is studying B Farm second year with roll number 17. Today, my topic is beneficial uses of microorganisms, and let us go into the objectives. Introduction, criteria of microbes, classification of microbes, examples, and uses are all the objectives of this topic. Now, let us go into introduction. Applied microbiology involves large scale of microorganisms which are used to produce valuable commercial products such as cheese and various other food products also. Now let us go into screening and isolation of microorganisms of interest. Searching for specific strain of microorganism to yield quantities of desired products permit commercial products. Now let us go into the strain improvement. To improve the strain properties to achieve desired product like microbial cell and other products. Formulation of media, fermentation process, packing and marketing are all involved in this. Microorganisms in industry. Now there is criteria for industrial microorganisms. Now let us discuss it. They should have genetic stability with infrequent mutation. They are easy to maintain and cultivate. They are easily manipulated genetically. They can be grown inexpensively without much of cost. Now let us go into the types. Microorganisms are used in industries to produce variety of organic compounds, acids and enzymes. Now discuss regarding the acids which are produced by using microorganisms. Citric acid. The citric acid is used in soft drinks, candies, inks. The organism which is most widely used in citric acid production is mold. Example of the mold is Aspergillus niger. Now let us discuss regarding the production of glutamic acid. Glutamic acid is produced from amino acids by certain species of Brevibacterium micrococcus. The glutamic acid produced is used in food supplement for humans and animals. Its sodium salt is used in food preparation. Now let us discuss regarding the vitamins. Now in vitamins there is riboflavin B12 which is produced by Asclepias gossypii 2, a mold that produces 20,000 times of the vitamin that is needed for it. Now let us discuss regarding the cyanocobalamin. It is produced by Propionibacterium grown in cobalt supplement medium. The vitamin is used in flour and bread. Now let us discuss regarding the enzyme and other products. The enzymes includes of pectinase and alginates. Now coming to pectinases, it produced by Clostridium species. It is used to reflex for lenin and also used in fruit juices. Now regarding alginates, it is a typical of miscellaneous microbial product. It thickens the substrate used in ice creams and scoops. Thanking you. You're welcome, G Mahesh.